Hi everybody. So another part on the quiz is taking your new knowledge and being able to apply it in a different way, which is figuring out what the meter is by looking at the notes, okay? And the way you do that is just to use what you already know, okay? So don't get worried about it. The main thing is, what do you see the most of, okay? What kind of note do you see the most of? So here we've got 2/4 and 2/8, so that's pretty much the same, right? But here we have 3/4. Okay, so altogether there are 5 quarter notes, and there are only 4/8 notes, and then there's also this quarter rest, so there are 6 quarters. So what that means is you're going to put a 4 on the bottom, okay? Because you're going to count the quarter notes. You're going to count the note that you see the most of, all right? Then the last thing to do is just to count how many there are in each measure, and they should be the same. They will be the same on the test. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So there are 4 beats in each measure. So this will be 4, 4. Okay, now look at the next one. There's a quarter note, there's an eighth note, so there's 1, 2, and 2. But then there are 3 eighth notes. So altogether there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eighth notes and only 2 quarter notes. So what we're going to do is we're going to put an 8 on the bottom. And then we're going to count up the number of eighth notes in each measure. Now, if you see something like this, where you've got 3 eighth notes in a row, that's telling you right away that it's 3/8, right? That's the easiest thing to see. But check your work. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's 3/8. Okay? The next one, we see 2 half notes, 2 quarters, a half note, then a whole note, okay? So how are we going to count this? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so I think we're going to count half notes. And if you see a whole note, that's telling you right away that you're counting half notes if they're more half notes than quarters, okay? Because it only takes 2 to get in there. So I'm going to put a 2 down here. And here we go. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. So this is 2, 2. So what kind of note do you see the most of, okay? All together. And then how many are there in both measures or all 3 measures? Good luck. You could do this.